gonna climb now, so. It shouldn't take me long. I basically just, these cables kind of like crimp together. Yeah. So I just have to find like a branch that's suitable for them, crimp them, and then come back down. Oh, well, you could practice. Oop, that's why we wait our lines. I'm glad I broke that now than like, yeah, I think I would have called it a day if that happened. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna hang it kind of out this way. Okay, so I'm at the top of this cottonwood and it's huge. There's Patrick right there. Got this here. I had my nice time point up there. So I'm gonna be setting up the trio cache sign. So I think I'm gonna be setting it up on this limb next to me. Right about here, kind of in the upper part of the canopy. So get lanyarded in. Got the plaque right here. This is actually a brand new trio cache. So this would be the first time this one is up in this cottonwood here. This is near like Mounds Park in St. Paul. So we just got these little handy dandy loopies. I don't want to put this thing over something too tight. If I wasn't so short, I could probably reach this one. Maybe I can lanyard up it. There you go, you can kind of see where I'm going. This would be like a perfect size branch for this. So, get the sign here. We just have these locking threads. That maybe work. Holy crap, these things are hard to get on. Oh, I figured it out, I'm just stupid. I was putting it in the wrong way. It came with instructions on how to do it, and I definitely didn't read them. Trio cache sign, baby. All right, there's the trio cache. Number 132. Even says my name on it. And yeah, it's pretty neat. It's a big cottonwood near a fairly common trail, so shouldn't be hard for people to find. Okay, trio cache. Have fun. So I'm gonna descend, and that's it for today. Sweet. Thanks for making sure I didn't die. Yeah. Hey, okay, so it's another day. This is the next week after I just hung up that cottonwood plaque, but now I'm over in Minneapolis and we're going to be hanging up the plaque for number 34, the oak tree that's here near Theodore Wirth Park in Minneapolis. My friend Brandon and I are going to be heading up there soon. Should be a good time. It's a lot warmer day than the last time I was there. Down that and then place it kind of, I think I'll just put the plaque in like a similar spot. Figure we both could just knock it down together and
yeah,
go from there. So
I like it.
Okay, there's the busted cache. So we go get that and get the new plaque. Okay, now we're gonna pull the plaque up and Brandon's gear. All right. Okay. Oh, did you throw your ring in here?
Yeah.
You want it up. That's a long way, dude.
Yeah.
All right, there's one end. All right, stand clear. No, I think I've got everything I need, so if you want to shoot up. Yeah, you got up here fast.
SRS really does make a big difference, I think.
Oh yeah. It's definitely the best for ascending.
You want this pulled through?
Nope, I'm just redirecting my line here. Oh boy.
Oh, that's slick.
Yeah, so you just, if you need to advance your rope, you just keep advancing you just got to put a knot above it to stop it from moving, but.
Oh, that's way nicer.
Yeah, so then you just clip right back in on it and you're good to go. So now I'm basically redirected right over where this bucket is.
And just dropping.
Yeah, that's all I gotta do. I definitely made that look slick, but it took me a while longer to do this the first time I came to this tree, so. Oh, there's people.
Yeah, it solves the earlier mystery of the 5-gallon pail in the tree.
Yeah. All right. You can have anything in here if you want it. I don't know what is in here. Is my only thing.
Steel 201?
That'd be sweet. I think probably the best you get is a steel sticker or something, but
Hey,
that's not
that's
bad.
cool.
Oh boy, it's a little wet in there. I'm just gonna toss that down.
Yeah. Good shot. Oh wow, there's a bunch of stuff. Hey, a little Right in the Rain sticker. Yeah, you ain't kidding. Oh yeah.
There's this for you.
Oh ho ho. This is a cool idea,
Yeah.
but seeing as the water and stuff now, that kind of.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of this I think could still dry out and be okay. The stickers are shot, but. So if you want to lower the bucket with your tail.
Yeah. Usually they're just like old and decrepit and 40 coat on.
Oh yeah, I looked at a house, and my only goal is to have a climbing tree in the yard too.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
Right. 1, 2. Oh, go back. Whatever. Yeah, right there. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Sweet.
That should look good.
Cool.
Yeah. That looks good.
Nice.
That is up in an oak, and I just took my case off that day,
No.
and oh shit, drops like 40 foot down.
Jesus.
It just disappears in the snow. I'm like, well, that thing's a goner.
Did you find it?
Yeah.
Was it okay?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
No cracks, no nothing. Works just fine.
That was pretty slick.
Makes life easier at times.
Oh yeah. Anytime you can get like another tie-in point, or that's why I love SRT, because I can just, you can literally see exactly where I moved and just follow my line. Don't worry, I'm getting all the struggle on camera too, so.
Oh, perfect. That, nice.
This is a pretty cool tree. It's not that noticeable, like if you were just walking by, but. I
No,
like this.
yeah.
Let's see if I can get it for you.
It's great for climbing.
Yeah. There you go. Right there.
Sweet.
Cool. Looks good.
Casey Snyder.
All right. Sweet.
Yeah, I was kind of glad you waited. It's like, cause the one time you don't.
Yeah.
Oh no.
How's it look?
If it is what I'm seeing, it's wrapped. In an X actually too.
Oh, that's awesome.
Never seen that before. Oh, it moved. Yeah. Nice. Oh, you good?
Yeah.